Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Science channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2022 chemistry examination. We will focus on questions related to reaction heat, chemical equilibrium, and reaction rates. My explanations may not be perfect. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. When energy is released from a system, it is expressed as negative. When energy is absorbed by a system, it is expressed as positive. Combustion is an exothermic reaction, and the enthalpy of the exothermic reaction is negative. So, both C and D are ruled out. The released energy is absorbed by water. So, the B is ruled out. Only A is the correct answer. Carbon monoxide is a product of incomplete combustion, so both B and D are ruled out. Only the equation in C is balanced, so the C is the corrected answer. This question is focused on reverse reaction. Since the enthalpy of the forward reaction is negative, the IT of the reverse reaction should be positive. When the enthalpy of reaction is positive, the enthalpy of reactants should be lower than that of products. So, both graphs 3 and 4 are ruled out. This reverse reaction is not catalyzed, so its enthalpy should be higher than that catalyst. Graph 1 is ruled out and only graph 2 is the correct answer. Identify the difference between biodiesel and petrodiesel. Biodiesel is more hygroscopic because of the polar ester groups in the molecules, so I is incorrect. Biodiesel molecules have stronger intermolecular attraction due to dipole-dipole forces, so biodiesel solidifies at a higher temperature, so the second is correct. Biodiesel is produced from vegetable oils and animal fats. Petrodiesel is a fossil fuel extracted from oil produced from decomposing plant and animal material over millions of years, so the third is correct. Sulfur deposits from decomposing animal protein in crude oil mean petrodiesel contains more sulfur than biodiesel. This means that more sulfur dioxide will be produced in the combustion of petrodiesel compared with biodiesel, so the fourth is correct. Finally, only D is correct. When we write the equilibrium, the concentration of products is over that of reactants. The concentration in the equilibrium formula is expressed as molarity, such as m or mole/L. Using the unit analysis, we can calculate the units for the equilibrium expression. This question is focused on the effects of temperature on the equilibrium constant. Since this forward reaction is exothermic, an increase in temperature pushes the reaction backward. Students should answer this question step by step. Step 1, stating the conclusion that the equilibrium constant decreases. Step 2, recognizing that forward reaction is exothermic. Step 3, using Le Chatelier's principle to recognize that increasing in temperature pushes the reaction backward. Step 4, establish that the concentration of reactants is increased and that products are decreased. Concentration is the key word. Do not confuse the concentration and amount. Syllogistic reasoning is best strategic to answer short answer questions, general rule, conditions in question, and conclusion. Like this answer, the conclusion is best to state first. An increase in temperature always increases the rate of reaction, no matter how this reaction is exothermic or endothermic. Students should give the conclusion and then explain it by collision theory. 3 steps cover 3 marks. Step 1, stating the conclusion that the rate of the forward reaction will be greater at the new equilibrium after the temperature increase. Step 2, recognizing that the increase in temperature increases the frequency of collisions. Step 3, recognizing that the increase in temperature increases the successful ratio of collisions. Collision therapy includes 2 points, frequency of collisions and successful collisions. The keywords are without a catalyst. A catalyst can increase the rate of reaction but not change the position of equilibrium. So, the new line must show a decreased gradient and also show that it reaches the same concentration as the original, but at a time later than. There were 4 multiple-choice questions worth 1 point each, totaling 4 marks. There was also 1 short answer question worth a total of 10 marks in this section covering fuel, equilibrium, and rate of reaction. The overall score for this section is 14 points. With a total possible score of 120 points, the percentage for this section was 11.1% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel.